Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy air fryer sausage patties. These can be made in the Ninja Foodi 2, either one, as long as it has an air crisp function. So you will need a pound of pork sausage or breakfast sausage, and then you can also use a little bit of fennel seed if you want, just to add a little extra flavor. So the first thing you're going to do is just slice the sausage to form the patties. I like to leave it in the bag and just slice it off. It's super easy to do it that way, and then you can just form it into a patty. You can add a little fennel seed on top if you prefer, and then you're going to go ahead and coat the basket of your air fryer or Ninja with grapeseed oil spray and evenly place those into the basket. Once they're in there, you're going to cook them at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. Flip them over and cook an additional 4 minutes. So after that, you'll repeat this for any additional patties you need to cook. They need to be at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature to be considered done. So these usually will take about 8 minutes. Sometimes they can take 10 minutes depending on the amount of heat your air fryer or machine is putting out. So as you can see here, we've got them all done. Very easy to make, very low grease. You don't have grease flying everywhere from the skillet, so it's one of our favorite methods. You can find this full recipe for air fryer sausage patties on airfryerfanatics.com. Thanks so much for tuning in today.